ini-expect na kakanta at magkaka-album ako eh. Kasi hindi ko naman po talaga gusto kumanta eh. Wala po eh. Kailangan po. Hindi naman po. Ano lang, talagang parang kumbaga, ilagay na lang po natin to sa pagiging happy na lang din. Yung pagkanta.
News caught up with Daniel as he was shooting his first music video, Prinsesa.
Ito po, kakasimula lang po namin. At medyo kinakabahan.
Daniel admits he's still not used to being referred to as sikat.
Hindi naman po masyado. Hindi ko po pinapasok sa utak ko na sikat ako eh. Dapat chill lang ako.
As for people who keep comparing him to his uncle Robin Padilla and referring to him as Chick Boy, Daniel says,
hindi naman po masamang sundan yung yapak ni Tito Robin dahil magaling naman po talaga si Tito Robin at napakabait po. Hindi po ako matinig sa chicks. Hindi po talaga ako matinig. Ate, ano ba? Di pa rin ba tayo tapos sa paligyang matichicks? Tapos na tayo dyan. Wala, may napapalitaan pa ba kayong gano'n? Wala.
Oo, i-burn naman sa'yo.
Tapos na. Ano namin man. Lahat kami ngayon loyal na.
From the gold status of his album to the status of his relationship with on-screen partner Catherine Bernardo. Where are things right now between him and Catherine?
Okay naman po kami. Steady lang. Hindi ko alam kung MU tawag dun eh. Pero sana MU nga tawag yun. MU po, kumbaga nagkakaintindihan po kayong dalawa. Pero hindi po kayo.
When asked if he's already said the L word to Catherine, Daniel says,
Wala pa.
I like you.
Oh,
as for his message to Catherine, Daniel only had this to say.
message agad, wala pa akong valid.
Hintayin pa natin.
Siyempre, kung magpasalamat kay Catherine dahil isa siya sa inspirasyon ko. At nandyan pa rin siya bilang kaibigan para sa akin.
And because he just can't get enough of Daniel, we caught up with the teen heartthrob, this time with his muse, Catherine Bernardo, during the grand album launch of Love Songs from Princess and I. The official soundtrack album features romantic theme songs like Mula Noon Hanggang Ngayon, sung by Catherine, Hinahanap-Hanap Kita by Daniel, Kung Ako Ba Siya, and Now We're Together both by Khalil, Tunay na Ligaya by Enrique, and the versions of Nag-iisang Between from Christian Bautista and Angeline Quinto.
Dito ng Princess and I na talagang sana bilhin ng mga tao dahil lahat ng mga kanta namin nila Khalil, Enrique, Catherine, sa akin, sila Christian Bautista, at saka andyan yung mga kanta nila. Pati yung kay Angeline Quinto, andyan po lahat.
Of course, yung pinaka event na tayo, sila-launch po namin yung Princess and I Love Songs na andun yung ako, Miss Angeline Quinto, Christian Bautista, and yung tatlong leading men ko po.
This is the Princess and I Grand Fans Day. Ayun, we're launching our album under Star Records, and of course, for the love of fans, we're performing for them. Siyempre masaya. I mean, kahit umulan sila, basta lakas ulan, di ba? Lahat sila nandito. It goes to show na lahat ng hard work namin, lahat ng mga dreams namin for the show, expectations ay kahit pa paano natupad talaga. Actually, nag-exceed pa nga eh.
When asked about what songs they love most in the album and to whom they would like to dedicate their love songs, Catherine and Daniel say,
Siyempre kanta ko, para kay Catherine.
Of course, yun sa akin, yung mula noon hanggang ngayon, kasi yun yung kikakantahin ko dito and yung first ever single na gagawin ko dito. Siguro sa mga fans, kasi mula noon hanggang ngayon, andyan pa rin sila para supportahan ako.
Gusto kong pasalamatan natin sa suporta sa amin. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa po talaga kaming lahat sa suporta niyo.
Imbitahin ko kayo na sana po patuloy niyo tutukan ng Princess and I gabi-gabi na Action TV Patrol. At sana, kumuha po kayo ng copy ng Princess and I Love Songs. Available din sa lahat ng record bars nationwide.
From Daniel, we move on to his uncle, Robin Padilla. Is he really not in good